Ever uploaded a video to Instagram only to see it come out blurry or heavily compressed? That's one of the most frustrating things for creators, especially when you've worked so hard on the edit. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to upload the highest quality videos on Instagram, from enabling the right app settings to using the best video format and resolution, so your video stays sharp, smooth, and professional. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Instagram app, tap on the profile icon picture on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you can see the section Your App and Media. Tap on Media Quality. Make sure to turn this option on for upload at highest quality. If you don't turn this on, Instagram will compress your pictures or videos when you upload them, just mainly because for faster uploading. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.